Okay, plump up on that cover out of the sound. Oh, look at
A lot
that.
better.
Nice dead sound. Real good right there. Pretty good. It won't make too much noise now. That's the secret to make them quiet it down a little bit. Why is my motor so noisy? Did you put any covers? How many fills did you put in there? What? Fills? What are those?
Yeah.
Okay, there's why you did it. And they say, oh, one. Well, why'd you put only one in there? What the book said. Well, the book said you put whatever it takes. They didn't tell you why you had to put them in there, though. That's the problem. All right, so we're going to do this other one, same way. Get my diaper dirty. How am I supposed to wear that now?
You're still wearing that. You can try.
My secret's out.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, don't tell nobody.
Yeah. Promise.
Yep. There you go. Actually, I think I found a whole box of those. Let's clean stuff up. Couldn't believe how many rags I kept coming across. You got
Handy.
boxes of them, things everywhere. Then they get over here, they see the ones at home. Those ones up there. I remember cleaning those back in the 80s.
80s.
Yeah. Yeah, I had to clean them. Pain in the ass. Yeah, those are the really old rags. There's still a big drum of them outside in, next to the garage.
Really?
Yeah. Still sitting there from the 80s. Waiting to be cleaned.
Yeah. We'll get there.
I'm all over it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sitting over there. Open the lid up, it smells like crazy.
Oh, I bet.
No water damage though. Water doesn't get in there.
Repels water.
Yep. Yeah, so much for that fire hazard, having dirty windy rags and it'll catch on fire. Yeah, sure. There's no oxygen in that container.
Right. Just fumes.
Yep. Could have oxygen to burn. Yeah, I had a big pile. The washing machine at work was full of those things too. I threw them all away.
Probably a good idea.
You got time to deal with these things.
Exactly.
Put them in a box and I threw them all away. Nowadays it costs so much money to clean them, it ain't worth it. So you have to clean them like 3 or 4 times with heavy chemicals, and you have more money in soap and shit than buying new rags.
Yeah.
Of course, the new rags are third the thickness.
Right.
And garbage. The best rags are still hospital rags.
Really?
They're still nice and thick. Yeah, they come in green and blue and pink, all
So
kinds
the
of fancy
color
colors.
choices.
Get some white ones.
All right.
Yeah, they're all kinds of fancy ones you can get. Not that I pay for them, but
Yeah.
yeah, I found a whole another box of those cut up. These towels, these shirts here, whatever the hell these are from.
Mm-hmm.
Underwear, I guess, from prisons or something. I don't know where they come from.
If they come that long, if they're underwear.
There, there's a lot of those. Still got a whole case of those yet. Found another big pile of them. Thought I was almost out of them.
Found the reserve stock.
Yeah, reserved. Hidden away. Aged.
Exactly.
Yeah, somebody sent those to me.
That's nice of them.
Yeah, I thought they sent me 2 boxes, and this sent me 3. You're blocking my view.
Sorry.
Can't see. An overhead view. That's Fred's
Bird's eye
favorite.
view.
Fred's favorite view. He likes looking at pie. He watches over everybody.
Yeah.
I'm down here in the slums working on ground
Yeah.
level. So did you find your set of shovelhead Evo push rod clips at home yet?
Not at home, but this bench provided.
Oh, these ugly ones I have.
Yes.
These ones we're going to have to cut down, you mean?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I have to cut down on these a long ways to make these usable. Got heavy duty plastic here. Damn, look at all the goo all over my workbench. These are hard to take off.
Not from me.
Yeah, I don't know who it was from. Santa's elf came through here and
Right.
came all over my workbench. It's a good thing I got my own dirty rag to use. Look at that. Some of this doesn't want to come off. Most of it did. Throw my diaper over here. I'm going to try out my diaper. Is a diaper better than an oily rag? Let's find out. Oh, look at the difference. Not much. Slightly better, but it's the elbow grease that gets it off, not the rag material.
Yeah.
Alright, you can go use the rag after you're done making a big mess. Oh, you didn't forget to do that? That's good. Why are you doing that again?
To hopefully hold these
Damn,
felts.
you using half the container there.
Well.
Come on, get carried away. Jeez.
There we go.
Now, why are you putting it only in that spot there, nowhere else?
Because you told me to.
Okay, good reason. Because that's where the pressure's at. See, it's right on top of the rock arm, so I'm pretty sure there's going to be pressure right there when you put that down. Anywhere else, I'm not sure about the pressure part. You forget something?
The
The gasket?
gasket.
Oh. We need that?
We do. We will need this.
You got the round part where the round goes? That looks like the square part. Is that one rounded on that side?
Yeah.
Can't see, you're blocking my view. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. See how it's round through here? See how it's more squares through here?
Yes.
Square, round. It does matter.
I bet.
Because it might hit on the valve collar over here if you have it the other way. You got more goop up in the rock arm again. They match. Is that a Harley or a VW Bug?
The bug.
Sounds like a bug. They have like the same noise.
Yeah.
Especially if you got a new bike. They really sound the same. Any hole there yet? No.
Come out. Maybe.
Found it?
Yep.
Okay, we get the other one started on the other side.
Got it.
Alright. Let's get them all in there now. Very important to get them all started before you start cramming them in there. These actually line up pretty close, I'm shocked.
Yeah.
Did we work on these,
No,
or they actually just fitted this
they
way?
just fit, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. These are way the hell off. There's at least one hole, like half a hole off, if not a full hole. I guess STD put the correct bolt pad in there.
Seems that way.
It's been one of these 3-hour videos. Should we have cut this video off at one valve cover, or should we show both like now?
Yeah, well, apparently we're showing both.
They would have missed the fact that I have diapers on.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's it. So I guess we should have stopped at one.
Yeah. The secret's out now.
That's right. Well, if we didn't do both, they wouldn't see you strip out that last bolt.
We'll find out about that.
Hey, you're not going in a round robin circle, are you? You're not
No, I'm
supposed to do
just giving them all touching.
that. Yeah, right. I saw that.
Sure.
Got to use the Harley torque pattern. That was in that book you didn't read, right?
Yeah.
So remember when these things start to leak and you start tightening that bolt down more, you'll strip the bolt out.
Okay. I remember that.
That's what everybody does. Start getting a leak. Oh, let's tighten the bolt down. The bolt was already tight. Well, let's tighten it some more. And now the bolt's loose. Yeah, no
Yeah.
shit. That's because the threads are gone now.
It's gonna leak even more.
Yep. Usually does. Then they start putting longer bolts in there with nuts on the bottom. And
Really?
yeah. Looks good too when you do that.
Yeah.
Looks wonderful. Got that one tight one over there. That's the same one that was tight on the other side
Yeah.
too, if you can
I
remember.
thought it was this one.
Same one.
No.
On that one's corner. Now we're already getting comments they want video of putting the motor in the bike and starting it up and running it.
Yeah.
And then doing a video, you breaking it in, going down the road with your feet in the air,
Feet
hands on the
in the air.
ground, riding upside down and backwards.
Wow. I don't know if I can do that.
Oh, okay, well, we'll leave out that part. Then. And then what you see, I'm gonna blow it up. Oh, that's when I ride it.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's right.
First ride.
First ride, yeah. We'll fix it. We'll test it for you.
Exactly.
We'll give it a Tatro test.
It's gonna hit the rear limiter straight away.
If it's still running after it done my testing, it's good. Okay, you got good torque on those?
Yes.
Okay, find your clean rag down there. See, I got you that red one so you know which one's yours.
Yeah. Exactly.
Mine's the
filthy
black.
red.
Mine's the black brown black color one. Little mismatch in castings.
Yeah. Just recessed a little bit more.
Yeah, it's the side that was cut. Is it sticking out on the other side?
No, it's in.
Okay, that was good.
Yeah.
Otherwise, okay, flip it over, run backwards.
Right.
You put it upside down, take it apart.
No, it's right.
Let's see, where's my red rag I was using yesterday? There it is, orange rag. I think this is one I was using. Yeah, this is it. This has a nice texture to these old rags. See how thick these old ones are?
Right, yeah.
It's got good texture to it, so you can do the final wipe with that. That's one of those vintage rags from the 70s.
Perfect.
That'll rub that stuff off. Because that VW bug again, with
Yeah.
a bad radio on it.
Yeah.
I think it's only running on 2 cylinders. Must be something wrong with it. I think they're going over the drunk house down the street.
Right.
Actually, there's one over there.
Right.
Yeah. Yep. A lot of Harley riders in that drunk house. Guess they have issues. So how's that one work?
About the same on the rubber.
Not helping on the rubber? Yeah, the rubber probably absorbed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to use the brake clean on that.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll go through with brake cleaner.
Yeah, clean a little bit better.
Yeah.
It's more aggressive.
Yeah, definitely. Looks better on the chrome.
All right, well, there you go. All right, we'll be back.